What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Treasure Monroe, and today, you guys, I'm super excited because this is not your typical makeup video. No. This video today is I'm introducing to you guys a new series that I am going to be doing. Every Wednesday, we are going to be having Wisdom Wednesdays, Treasure Monroe. A lot of times we go through different seasons in our lives. We go through different storms. What I see a lot of is the enemy bringing chaos and confusion to a lot of people's lives. And so every Wednesday, I'm going to be dropping a new video to shed some light on life. Hopefully it can encourage you, it can push you, and it can lead you to a Father that we all share, that cares for you more than anything else in the world.
I would hate if something happened where you die and end up in casket and you never die.
So our topic for today is going to be enjoying the journey and trusting the process. A lot of times in life, we will get, especially in today's society, we think that we're not doing what we should be doing, or we're not doing enough simply because the next person seems to be doing more. And especially with social media, with YouTube, with Instagram, and all of these different platforms, people flex, people cap, people put on a show pretending that they are just living life, right? And sometimes we as viewers will take in that, oh wow, they have this, they have that, they got this going on, they're doing that. And then we begin to look at our situation or what we're doing as if it's not enough. And so today I really wanted to encourage you. I want to encourage you, listen to me. You are not out of alignment. You are right where you need to be in this moment, in this season, in this current day. If it were meant for you to be further or to have more, you would have it. But trust the process. I want to encourage you, trust the process. Why? Because all things work together for the good of them who love the Lord. Understand that everything is working together for your favor. Everything is working together for your good. So even though you think that, oh, I should have this, I should be doing this, I should be making this, God knows exactly what you need. God knows exactly what you can handle. So be encouraged. Don't be overwhelmed. Don't be boggled down. Don't be discouraged, because the enemy comes to steal, kill, and to destroy. But God came that you may have life, and life more abundantly. So enjoy the process. If you are not making what you want to, what you desire to make, if you are not in the house that you desire to be in, if you don't drive the car that you truly desire to drive, where you're at and what you're currently driving, enjoy those moments, because usually when there's elevation, usually when we get more things, there's more required of us. So enjoy the moments where you are at this present time. Enjoy what you're doing at this very moment, because I promise you, there will come a time when you look back and you say, wow, I really wish that I could go back to those days. I really wish that I could just rest, like I didn't have a whole lot to do at that time. But because we get so focused on what others are doing or what it seems like we're not doing, the enemy will come in and try to confuse us and make us think that we're not where we're supposed to be. But God wanted me to tell you, you are right where you're supposed to be. Trust the process and enjoy the moment. Listen, I hope this blessed you. If it did, comment down below and let me know. I love you guys, and be encouraged.